Hi, I'm Kathleen Flinn. I'm the author of The Sharper Your Knife, The Less You Cry, and the Kitchen Counter Cooking School. And today we are going to talk about cooking en papillons, which is just a French name for in paper. I think this is personally a wildly overlooked way of cooking at home, and I use it all the time. All you have to do, you just need a piece of parchment or foil, it doesn't matter, and we're going to do this today with some beautiful, lovely Copper River salmon. It's the first of the season, I'm so excited. We just take a piece of parchment, just like this, on a baking sheet, nothing too complicated. You probably have this stuff at home. Foil, if you don't have parchment. A little salt, a little pepper, a few thin slices of lemon, just like that, a few tomatoes, a few very thin slices of shallot, and a wee bit of dill, just like this. I don't want a lot of flavor, a lot of stuff to overpower this, because this is really nice fish. And the great thing is, though, that you can use this with anything. You can use thin pieces of, say, chicken breast, any kind of white fish, seafood. I've done it with scallops, they're terrific. Now what we're doing is I'm just crimping the edges. I've just folded over and crimping the edges. Right, and it just kind of makes a little package like that. You want to make sure you get a good seal because you're both baking and steaming it at the same time. I'm going to set it aside here, and this one is done. And the great thing about this is that you can do this for one person. It's 15 minutes. You can do it for 2 people, same amount of time. You can do it for 8 people. It's all the same amount of time. You can prep them earlier in the day. You can give everybody their own little present. It's like a gift. And then when you're sitting down, or whenever your guests are sitting down, they just open their present. I like to cut it, and then like this wonderful smell comes out. And the best thing about this is there are no dishes. It's cooked in paper, people. There are no pans. It's just you didn't even get the baking sheet dirty. It's awesome. So you can just kind of eat your fabulousness, wad it up, throw it away. No fuss, no muss, easy. I'm Kathleen Flinn. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another lesson.